In this video, I'm going to continue working on the coin sorting mechanism that I showed you in the last video. I'm actually going to do some demonstrations in the software to kind of put it through its paces. Now off camera, I've already written 3 scripts that will demonstrate some features of the coin sorter. So I'm going to demonstrate those 3 pieces of software. In the first one, you can hit the play button on the Python script, and each time you do that, it'll move to the next position on the coin stacker, as I've demonstrated here. You can see each time I hit the play button, it moves forward to the next position. Now the second piece of software that I wrote builds off of the first, only it does everything automatically. It is going to move to each one of the positions in the coin stacker, all 11 of them, and it does so automatically, pausing for 1 second in between each one. That's to demonstrate that the stepper motor is accurate, and it can accurately locate each one of the positions above the coin stacker. The third piece of software that I wrote builds off of the second, only this time it allows for user input. The coin sorter starts in the home position above that drawer that I showed you in the last video, and it asks the user what position you'd like to move to next. And when I hit position number 7, it will move backwards towards that position, because that's the most efficient way to move. And then when I hit 8, it'll move forward again, 1 position. And again, I can go back to position 1. If I hit 11, it'll then go backwards 1. And if I go to position 5, it will rotate in the most efficient manner to get there. So you can switch between positions above the coin stacker, and it will accurately move there and choose the most efficient path to get there. So in the final CoinBot, I picture the AI deciding which position to move the coin sorter to and dropping the coin into a specific bin based on its value. And I think these pieces of software that I wrote are a good stepping stone towards that. But I think that's enough for this video. This is day 27 of a 30-day challenge I've given myself to post a video to YouTube every day in the month of September. And as always, if you have suggestions or feedback for me about how I can build a better coin sorter or make better videos, please leave a comment down below. But for now, that's my 2 cents. Thanks for watching, everyone. Stay awesome.